So, good afternoon. Uh, so, I represent Belectriq Mobility. We are a company from India, and we are into charging sustainable mobility. I'll just so this company was started around 4 years back, and this company is basically into the entire technology that goes into the chargers, like the power controllers, the AC controllers, the DC controllers. So we have the entire product range for slow and fast chargers. Slow chargers, you have AC chargers. There is like the type 2 chargers, which start from 3.3 kilowatt going up to 22 kilowatt. And then we have the DC fast chargers, which is from 30 kilowatt goes up to 360 kilowatt. So the, here we have our own complete full stack solution for the chargers, where we give you the controllers and with the software pack along with the power modules put together as a single solution to manufacture chargers. So essentially, we help you manufacture any EV charger you want at your base location. We guide you technically on how you can manufacture the entire charger. We give you the controllers, we give you the entire kit, which includes the other cards like the RFID, LED, and HMI. So all these cards put together, you can easily assemble and manufacture the entire charger as per your custom requirement. So Belectriq is basically has a very strong R&D team based out of India, from one of the top colleges in the world, and we have presence pan-India, and we export to around 10 countries right now. We have more than 500 plus customers. We are manufacturing white labeled AC and DC chargers, around 3,000 chargers in a year right now. And we have both, we work both ways. We work with customers on enabling them to manufacture their own chargers, and we can also offer them white labeled chargers. So as I mentioned, so we are an end-to-end solution provider when it comes to EV chargers. We work very closely with our customers to give them the entire, from design level. We can do custom design. We can help them make chargers based on their requirements with respect to customer, like components. Like you might say you want a meter, MID certified meter. In the other case, you might want an NFC payment gateway. So there are custom requirements. Every country has their own specific requirements for which they need chargers, and we can help them design their own charger for their own specific requirement. So as I mentioned, we engage in a very like our engagement models are at various stages. So it can start from design level. We can help you reduce your costing of the charger. Our controllers are integrated with multiple different kinds of components in the market. So we are not specific to one particular component. We are agnostic to the entire range. And we can also custom develop the controllers for you in case you have specific requirements that you don't want meters within the controller, you want it separate. So we can do custom design as a ODM, basically a original design manufacturer. Branding is something which is pretty common and can be anyways done. Enclosures can be designed and developed based on your designs, and then it can be integrated with our controllers. Then our controllers are integrated with more than 50 plus charging management softwares, and they're all compliant as per OCPP 1.6J. We also provide support to our customers to get their chargers type tested as per IEC protocols. 61851, and we help them get certifications, whether it's in Europe or in India, and even in Southeast Asia. We post that we also provide complete technical training for them to be able to give support to their customers on the ground. The the spare parts can come from us, but the service support can be easily managed by the companies who are manufacturing the chargers locally, and that gives them a lot of confidence, because that helps their customers to be able to give good uptime for the charge point operator, which is very critical. And today, almost every country globally wants to manufacture things within their own country, and it's a good thing, and we support that. And there are a lot of benefits which local manufacturing brings. So we help you increase your local content, and only the technology or the control cards can come from us. You will be able to deliver your material faster to your customers. You can keep inventory. There are a lot of funding programs from various governments which promote local manufacturing, so you can take advantage of that. You're not dependent on any manufacturer who is sitting far away, and you will be able to localize the entire charger technology within your country. So all these benefits essentially come with our designs, and why we push for this is because we as a company, our focus is more towards the technology, towards the controllers and the power modules, and the overall local market can be captured by the individual players who are already present in the market. Obviously, they also need to have some level of technical expertise so that they can understand how we have integrated the charger, and they can understand our needs with respect to basic software integrations with this CMS, with the HMI. So all those things put together, there has to be some level of technical expertise, but you don't really need to spend a lot of time on developing things from scratch. So yeah, so that's about us, Belectriq, and that's how we think that local manufacturing can be promoted in a big way globally. These are our controllers. So this is our AC charge controller series, where this is for single gun, dual gun, and we have starting from 3.3 kilowatt going up to 22 kilowatt. We have dual gun 22 kilowatt solution also, which is not available that easily. These are our DC charge controller products. This is this is the main controller, and then you have the CCS2 PLC. So for every gun, you need a PLC controller. With a single controller, you can go up to 4 guns. You can manage 4 outputs, and you can have 16 power modules on the backside for AC to DC conversion. This controller essentially gets integrated with your GSM network, PLC, CAN, and RS485. All the communication protocols are available. You can also integrate a lot of other sensors like smoke sensor, your door opening sensors. You can integrate various sensors along with this controller. So all these things put together makes this controller extremely versatile with various components available in the industry. Yeah, so apart from the main controllers, then you have the other components which also are required to manufacture the entire charger, and we give you complete support on all the other components as well. These are all in-house design, like the relay cards as I said, if you want multiple outputs to control this various sensors which you have, you can use relay cards. You have RFID cards. Then we have LED cards. This is the installation monitoring device, which is again used in a DC charger. for monitoring the DC voltage insulation for the power module. And then we have HMIs, the guns, and the DC contactors. Thank you.